Electron affinity. The energy released when an electron is added to isolated gaseous atom to form ion is called electron affinity. In short, tendency to accept electron is called electron affinity. What is meant by higher electron affinity? We know electron affinity means loving electron. Higher electron affinity means some element love to gain electron easily and lose higher energy. What is meant by lower electron affinity? That means some element doesn't gain electron easily and lose lower energy. Remember, non-metals have higher electron affinity. Metal have lower electron affinity. Periodic trends. 1. If we move from left to right along the periodic table, the electron affinity increase. Because atomic size decreases, atomic number increases, and electrons become near to the nucleus. Example: chlorine has the highest electron affinity. 2. If we move down the group, the electron affinity decreases. Because atomic size increases, more shells are added. Electrons become away from nucleus. 3. If electron configuration is half-filled p3, d5, f7 or full-filled p6, d10, f14, then it will not accept extra electron and their electron affinity will be very less, almost zero. Like inert gas. Exception. 1. Arrange all elements of period 2 in order of electron affinity. Period 2 is lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. So first will be neon because neon electron affinity is low. Between beryllium and nitrogen, nitrogen is half-filled and it is stable, it will come. So it will be second. Then beryllium electron is full-filled and stable, so it also don't want to release energy. Now, between lithium and boron, if lithium gain extra 1 electron, then it will be stable. So lithium has more electron accepting tendency than boron. That's why boron will come forward. And order will be neon less than nitrogen, less than beryllium, less than boron, less than lithium, less than carbon, less than oxygen. 2. Why chlorine has the highest electron affinity than fluorine? Fluorine size is small than chlorine. Fluorine nucleus can attract electron more than chlorine. But chlorine atomic size is big and it can also accept the incoming electron more easily than fluorine. If extra electron come in fluorine, because of small size and so much electron, new electron will get so much repulsion and this will not be stable that much. That's why chlorine has highest electron affinity than fluorine. 3. Like 2 number exception, in group 14 silicon has highest electron affinity than carbon. In group 15 phosphorus has highest electron affinity than nitrogen. In group 16 sulfur has highest electron affinity than oxygen. After that, all are in general trend. 4. But in group 16 there is little exception. Oxygen has lowest electron affinity. And order will be sulfur greater than selenium, greater than tellurium, greater than oxygen.